Just an hour southeast of Columbus lies Hocking Hills, a stunning maze of sandstone cliffs, deep gorges, and waterfalls carved over millions of years.
Hi, we're Matt and Debbie. This is Rolling with the Curves. Just because our camper's asleep doesn't mean we are. We're at Hocking Hills State Park today. We're going to do the Rock House Trail and maybe a couple more. The park's pretty crowded, so we're just going to take off down the trail and see what today brings us.
Beautiful day.
Yep.
Let's roll.
Salt Fork's the biggest park in Ohio. Hocking is definitely the busiest one.
And up till about, maybe 10, 12 years ago, you could come here and just a small amount of people were here. It was really nice. And then they got awarded #1 hiking area. Is that what it was?
Yeah, I think so.
Or #1 park or
Something like that. Yeah.
And then the crowds.
And then it just boomed.
Has just taken it over ever since. It's nice to see everybody out into nature, but we also like to be by ourselves.
Yeah, and this isn't the place to be by yourselves. Although, even though it's crowded, this trail is pretty empty actually right now. We were going to do the Old Man's Cave hike, but the parking lot was backed up out to the highway. That's the beginning of the Grandma Gatewood Trail. Grandma Gatewood was the woman who hiked the Appalachian Trail 2-3 times when she was over 60. And she used to walk the 6-mile trek from Old Man's Cave to Ash Cave every day. There's a book about her. You can get it at the Ohio State Park, Hocking Hills Visitor Center. That's also the path for the winter hike
you
here.
Can buy it off of Matt. Come on. No playing. Yeah.
Yeah.
He's beautiful. Thanks. Boy, is he pretty. That was a good boy. Yeah, we're not playing today, are we?
Nope.
That was a good boy. Slow.
The landscape here was shaped over millions of years. The famous black hand sandstone forms massive cliffs, narrow passageways, and recessed caves the park is known for. Water, ice, and erosion have carved out formations that look almost otherworldly.
Come on,
Okay,
let's
come
go. Come on, let's go. Good boy.
Welcome to the beautiful side of the old Rock House Inn. Today, you see, there is no more Rock House Inn, but there is a beautiful shelter house behind me. In 1933, once the Civilian Conservation Corps was developed, the CCC came in and made this area a recreation site. And they did that by building the beautiful shelter house that you're seeing behind me. We do a lot of cooking in those at times. But the whole area itself was completely restructured into a tourist area.
The Rock House Hotel had 16 rooms, a post office, a ballroom, a livery stable, a speakeasy, and extensive gardens. Also, there was once a ride-on model train, benches, and high swings for entertainment where the lower parking lot is now. The hotel lasted nearly a century before it started to collapse, and the Forest Service demolished it in 1925.
Hocking Hills State Park in southeastern Ohio offers one of the most diverse and scenic trail systems in the Midwest. Here, hikers explore deep, shaded gorges, towering sandstone cliffs, lush hemlock forests, and some of the most photographed waterfalls in the region. The trails vary widely, from easy, family-friendly pathways to rugged, strenuous routes designed for experienced hikers. No matter your pace or skill level, the Hocking Hills Trail System has something for everyone.
Instead of being one single park area, Hocking Hills is divided into separate sections. These include Old Man's Cave, Ash Cave, Cedar Falls, Rock House, Cantwell Cliffs, and Kunkel's Hollow.
Hocking Hills State Park in southeastern Ohio is home to one of the state's most popular campgrounds, located just minutes from Old Man's Cave, Cedar Falls, and Ash Cave. The campground offers 169 sites, including 47 full hookup sites and 122 electric-only sites with 20, 30, and 50 amp service. Many sites can fit RVs up to about 50 feet, though some areas have tighter terrain. Amenities include modern shower houses, restrooms, laundry, a camp store, fire rings, a playground, and seasonal pool access. Several hiking trails connect directly from the campground. Reservations are made through the Ohio State Parks reservation system or via exploreHockingHills.com, and sites often fill quickly during peak seasons. This campground provides a convenient, well-equipped base for exploring the natural beauty of Hocking Hills.
Hocking Hills State Park offers a wide range of cabins tucked deep in the woods, from simple, rustic stays to modern cabins with full kitchens, fireplaces, and private wooded views. Many are located just minutes from major trailheads. In 2016, the original Hocking Hills Lodge was lost to a devastating fire, leaving behind one of the park's most significant losses. Today, a brand new lodge stands in its place. Opened in 2022, the new Hocking Hill Lodge features panoramic windows, warm timber and stone design, indoor and outdoor pools, a full-service restaurant, gathering spaces, and 81 modern guest rooms. It brings comfort, convenience, and stunning views back to the heart of Hocking Hills.
Driving distances: Old Man's Cave to Cedar Falls, about 5 minutes. Old Man's Cave to Ash Cave, around 10 minutes. Old Man's Cave to Rock House, 15 to 20 minutes. Grandma Gatewood Memorial Hiking Trail. The 6-month trail is dedicated to the memory of Grandma Gatewood, a vibrant woman, seasoned hiker, and longtime Hocking Hills enthusiast. The path begins here, visits Cedar Falls, and terminates at Ash Cave.
Isn't that cold? You silly boy.
Got you.
I got you. Who got Grizzly? Yes. That went everywhere. Remember we used to go up here?
Yep. We can go up right there where it says do not enter.
Where they have it all
But it never
rocked
said
out.
that before.
No. We were allowed at the time.
Devil's bathtub got any water in it even? I guess the devil's gonna be dirty.
I feel like my lens is fogging up.
What?
There's the bridge. 2 bridges together, right?
No matter your pace or skill level, the Hocking Hills Trail System has something for everyone. Families can enjoy gentle, accessible walks, casual hikers can take on scenic, moderate trails, and adventure seekers will find challenging routes carved through rock and dense forest. With its waterfalls, cliffs, caves, and dramatic landscapes, Hocking Hills delivers one of the most unforgettable hiking experiences in all of Ohio.
Oh, thank you. He's having fun. Great Pyrenees and Shepherd. Yeah. Look at this. He's like, let's keep moving.
Old Man's Cave. Old Man's Cave is the most iconic spot in Hocking Hills. It's named after Richard Rowe, a trapper and hermit who lived in the massive sandstone recessed cave in the early 1800s. Over millions of years, rushing water carved this deep gorge, shaping the towering cliffs, stone bridges, and waterfalls visitors explore today. It remains the legendary centerpiece of Hocking Hills State Park.
Yeah. It's okay. You liked it in here, huh? Yeah. His name's Grizzly.
No matter when you visit, Hocking Hills delivers unforgettable scenery and adventure. Pizza Crossing. This is how we end a good day of hiking, with a big pizza from Pizza Crossing in Logan.
The best pizza around.
It probably is the best pizza. And I'm from Chicago, and Chicago pizza has always been the best, but this is really good. So it gives
Just
them a
a
run.
little hometown place.
Yep. There's two of them. One here and one in
Lancaster.
yeah. So we're going to sign off until the pizza comes to the table. And if we remember, we'll get a video of the pizza. Hey, if we haven't said it enough, we'd just like to thank everybody for supporting us, watching our channel, subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It would do us a lot of good. It doesn't cost you anything. It doesn't
do anything. You're not going to get spammed with emails. It just means that when we post a new video, you'll be one of the first to know about it and get to see it. So if you would, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and drop us a comment too. Tell us on YouTube what you liked about the video, what you didn't like.